Hello, welcome back coders. Now our motto is to find the total, that is the total of the electric consumption that has been made based on different location by different purchaser and the vendors being WBSCTCL and CSC. So we can do is that we can use a function called subtotal. So after writing subtotal, I am selecting this function and I will be selecting the units. So sum then product. We will be performing product based on this unit column and then this rate column. After particularly multiplication of these two range of cells, we will be making a sum. So that is not subtotal, it is sum product. Sorry, it is not subtotal. The function is subproduct. My mistake. It happens. So we need to close the braces. I am going to the formula bar. So not sub, it's sum product. Now I'll be hitting enter. So it's 81416. So at earlier instance of time, what we had found, so we don't need to make this particular column. We don't need this column anymore. So what we will be doing is that we will be right clicking on it and simply delete the column. And now we have the 81416, which is the total consumption based on different purchaser given under different purchaser who are falling under different vendor and in different location and zone, and their total unit consumption of electric bill is 81416. We did not bother what the individual pricing of each of the purchaser is. So that's all for this particular short video. Hope you like it. Happy coding, guys.